We're just going to do a word for word of a live stream that was done today with one of Jess's best friends. And let's have a look at the how despicable his friends are, shall we? Let's just have a quick listen.
They do have various classes of license for different types of weapons. But everybody and his dog's got a fucking Kalashnikov and an AK-47 and a semi-automatic SKS. I mean, they're fucking dime a dozen in New Zealand. Well, they were until your mate from Griffith got to Christchurch. But, you know.
He was just doing his bit.
So what did Jeff mean by the guy that got to Christchurch? And how that affected the gun laws in New Zealand. Let's have a look at a little story, shall we? So here's what Jeff's describing. In Christchurch, in New Zealand, there was a mass shooting at a mosque. So there it is, talking all about it. That's on the BBC's website, so if you wanted to just search Christchurch shootings, and that's what will come up. It's all about there. So let's carry on and see what else this despicable human being says.
Yeah, handguns are very easy to get in New Zealand. Anybody and his dog can get a handgun. But they did tighten it up after that fuck what we mad in Christchurch.
Like I say, just doing his civil duties.
So there you have it. Jeff's best friend. Well, racist, I suppose you could say. Sick, you could say. Depraved. Just says that bloke who shot over 50 people was just doing his civic duties. Shows you what type of this man. Well, you can't even call him a man, really. No, like I said, just shows you what a coward and despicable person this Johnny Siam is. Jeff's best friend.